Number 5. Xencelabs Medium Pen Tablet, a masterpiece of precision and versatility in the realm of digital artistry. Designed to empower artists with intuitive controls and exceptional performance, this tablet redefines the boundaries of creativity. With its sleek design and robust features, the Xencelabs Medium Pen Tablet stands as a beacon of innovation in the world of drawing tablets. Boasting a 12-inch display and a spacious 10.3-inch by 5.75-inch active area, this tablet provides ample space for unrestricted expression. Whether sketching intricate details or crafting sweeping landscapes, the Xencelabs Medium Pen Tablet offers the perfect canvas for your imagination to flourish. What truly sets the Xencelabs Medium Pen Tablet apart is its comprehensive accessory package. In addition to the tablet itself, users are treated to the Quick Keys remote and 2 battery-free pens, elevating their creative workflow to new heights. The Quick Keys remote features 5 sets of 8 keys, allowing for a total of 40 programmable functions. With its OLED display, users can easily navigate shortcuts and commands with unparalleled ease and efficiency. The Xencelabs Medium Pen Tablet's pens are a marvel of engineering, boasting 8192 pressure sensitivity levels, tilt recognition, and a remarkable 5080 LPI pen resolution. With a 3000 mAh battery capacity, these pens offer an impressive 16 hours of continuous usage, ensuring uninterrupted creativity sessions. Versatility is key with the Xencelabs Medium Pen Tablet, which supports Bluetooth connectivity for wireless convenience. Number 4. Veikk VK2200 Pro, a powerhouse of creativity that redefines the boundaries of digital artistry. Crafted with precision and innovation, this display tablet empowers artists to unleash their imagination with unparalleled control and versatility. From its stunning display to its intuitive controls, the Veikk VK2200 Pro stands as a beacon of excellence in the world of drawing tablets. With a spacious 21.5-inch Full HD display and a resolution of 1920 x 1080, the Veikk VK2200 Pro offers a canvas worthy of your most ambitious creations. Whether sketching intricate details or painting vibrant landscapes, every stroke is rendered with breathtaking clarity and precision. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the VK2200 Pro features 8 customizable buttons and 2 programmable jawed dials along its left-hand side. These intuitive controls allow users to personalize their workflow and access their favorite tools with ease, streamlining the creative process for maximum efficiency. At the heart of the Veikk VK2200 Pro is its P05 battery-free stylus, which boasts 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, 60-degree tilt recognition, and a staggering 290 pps report rate. Whether drawing delicate lines or bold strokes, the stylus delivers unparalleled accuracy and responsiveness, allowing artists to express themselves with unprecedented freedom. Connectivity is a breeze with the Veikk VK2200 Pro, thanks to its USB-C design that allows for seamless connection to other devices without the need for adapters. Additionally, the tablet comes with an adjustable stand, allowing users to find the perfect angle for their creative endeavors and work comfortably for hours on end. Number 3. Huion Kamvas Pro 16, a cutting-edge pen display tablet that revolutionizes the way artists create and innovate. Boasting a stunning 16-inch screen with a breathtaking 2.5K resolution, this tablet delivers unparalleled clarity and detail, allowing artists to bring their visions to life with unmatched precision and vibrancy. The Huion Kamvas Pro 16 features a large 15.6-inch display with a resolution of 2560 x 1440 QHD, offering an expansive canvas for creativity. With its high-resolution screen, artists can capture every nuance and detail of their artwork with stunning clarity and accuracy. At the heart of the Huion Kamvas Pro 16 is the PW517 pen, which utilizes Huion's Pentec 3.0 technology to deliver 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60-degree tilt recognition. Whether sketching, drawing, or painting, the pen provides natural and fluid strokes, allowing artists to express themselves with unparalleled precision and control. One of the standout features of the Huion Kamvas Pro 16 is its fully laminated anti-glare glass display, which minimizes reflections and glare for a more comfortable and immersive drawing experience. Additionally, the tablet comes with a fully adjustable stand, allowing users to find the perfect working angle for their creative endeavors. While the Huion Kamvas Pro 16 does not offer wireless connectivity, its USB-C connection ensures fast and reliable data transfer, allowing artists to focus on their work without interruption. Whether working in the studio or on the go, the Huion Kamvas Pro 16 is the perfect companion for artists looking to take their creativity to the next level. Number 2. XP Pen Artist 12. A compact yet powerful pen display tablet that brings your creative visions to life with precision and ease. Boasting an 11.6-inch display with a vibrant 1920 x 1080 Full HD resolution, this tablet offers artists a canvas that is both immersive and detailed, providing the perfect platform for digital artistry. The XP Pen Artist 12 features a fully laminated anti-glare screen, which minimizes reflections and glare for a more comfortable drawing experience. This ensures that artists can work for extended periods without straining their eyes or being distracted by external light sources, allowing them to focus on their craft with unparalleled clarity and precision. At the heart of the XP Pen Artist 12 is the battery-free P06 stylus, which delivers 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60-degree tilt recognition. This ensures that every stroke is captured with exceptional accuracy and responsiveness, allowing artists to express themselves with unmatched precision and control. One of the standout features of the XP Pen Artist 12 is its compact and portable design, which makes it ideal for artists who are always on the go. Whether you're working in the studio at home or on location, the XP Pen Artist 12 is the perfect companion for bringing your creative visions to life wherever inspiration strikes. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq 22, a masterpiece of digital artistry that redefines the boundaries of creativity and innovation. Boasting a massive 21.5-inch workable display area and a sharp 1920 x 1080 Full HD resolution, this pen display tablet offers artists an expansive canvas to bring their imagination to life with unparalleled precision and detail. The Wacom Cintiq 22 features a Pro Pen 2 stylus, which delivers 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt recognition, and minimal lag. This ensures that every stroke is captured with exceptional accuracy and responsiveness, allowing artists to express themselves with unmatched precision and control. One of the standout features of the Wacom Cintiq 22 is its anti-glare coating, which makes writing and drawing feel much more tactile and natural. This ensures that artists can work for extended periods without straining their eyes or being distracted by glare, allowing them to focus on their craft with unparalleled clarity and comfort. In addition to its advanced pen technology, the Wacom Cintiq 22 also features 2 customizable shortcut buttons on the pen, allowing artists to quickly access their favorite tools and shortcuts with ease. This ensures that artists can work more efficiently and effectively, allowing them to focus on their creativity without being bogged down by cumbersome menus and settings. The Wacom Cintiq 22 also comes with foldable legs that allow users to adjust the tablet to a comfortable working angle. Whether you prefer to work upright or at a slight incline, the Wacom Cintiq 22 offers the flexibility to customize your workspace to suit your needs.